In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase leverage in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that to increase your leverage in MT5, you cannot make the adjustment directly inside the MT5 desktop application, okay? So instead, you must log into your secure client portal on your broker's official website. So in my case, I'm currently inside a Trader's Way demo account over here, which means I have to go to their portal, so their official website, which for me is over here. That's it over here. And of course, in here, you'll be able to find your real and demo accounts. I do have a few demo accounts over here. So in my case, I can just go over here and click on leverage, click on it, and then change it from here. There's going to be a drop down appearing whenever you click on this. There we go. And now I can change the leverage from over here from the list. There we go. So that's, of course, one way to do it. Now, different brokers are going to have different methods of actually changing or increasing leverage. So you can go watch. I do have a lot of different videos on my channel teaching you on how to change leverage on different brokers' websites. So go watch that first. I may have a video on that, but usually it's quite simple. You want to find your account and then the leverage, and there's usually going to be like a pen edit button, a settings cogwheel button, or a change button, which is going to allow you to essentially change your leverage or increase it for that specific account, okay? Now, of course, if you are operating live accounts, real accounts, then it may happen that, of course, you'll have to request higher leverage from the support team. So in case that happens, of course, you may have to do that as well. But if you are talking about the MT5 demo account, which I do have over here as well, so I can sign in, you can't actually increase leverage in here by default. However, what you can do is just simply create a new account by going to File, Open an account, and then from here, find MetaQuotes and click on Next. Click on Open a demo account, click on Next, and then on your next screen, you'll be able to basically find the option at the very bottom where you can increase the leverage, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.